Bonjour, bienvenue. We learn les articles contractés, contracted articles. Preposition de, de, de means of, about, or from. Of, about, from. De. After this preposition de, we are going to write the definite article le, la, l'apostrophe or le, les. When this preposition de joins with the definite articles, these two words, the preposition and the definite article the, they undergo a change of spelling. They cannot remain alone. They become a single word, a contracted word, and this is called the contracted articles. When the preposition de comes before the definite article le, these two words become due. De plus le becomes due, meaning of the or from the. De and la, the, la remain unchanged. De, the and l'apostrophe, they remain unchanged. De, l'apostrophe of the, from the. De and les change in the spelling and they become they. De and les, they both become they, des of the, from the. Look at the examples given. Number 1, de plus le, due, la mère de le garçon, the mother of the boy. This is wrong. The le should become due. So it becomes la mère du garçon. Boy is masculine singular, so le, and this de le, they become due. Look at the example of the second one, de la, les sacs, de la fille, the bags of the girl. De la, you can write it aloud. So this is a correct statement. Les sacs de la fille, the bags of the girl. Number 3, the l'apostrophe. Look at the example. Le fils, the loam, the son of the man. The l'apostrophe. This is also allowed. The loam. Look at number 4. The les. That should become they. Des. La maison de les filles. De les filles. De les. Not allowed. That should become they. So, la maison des filles. The house of the girls. So, the mother of the boy will be la mère du garçon. The bags of the girl will be les sacs de la fille. The son of the man is le fils de l'homme, and the house of the girls will be la maison des filles. In the same pattern, next preposition a with grave accent. A means to or at. When a joins with The definite articles le, la, l apostrophe lay, it undergoes a change of spelling in the contracted form. Or plus l become o, au, to the or at the. La, this remains unchanged. La, to the, at the. Or L apostrophe only, no change of spelling, to the, at the. And lay, to the, it becomes wo, aux, to the, at the. Now look at the examples given. Number 5, le, they contract and they become wo. Je parle le garçon. I speak, parle. It's a conjugation of the verb parler that we'll learn later. Now just understand, je parle means I speak. Le garçon. Le, not allowed, they contract, and वो garçon. Je parle au garçon. I speak to the boy. Number 6. La, allowed. Je parle à la fille. I speak to the girl. À la fille. Number 7. L apostrophe. Yes, allowed. Je parle à l'homme. I speak to the man. À l'homme. And number 8, les, they contract and aux, wo. Je parle à les filles. It becomes je parle aux filles. So, je parle au garçon. I speak to the boy. Je parle à la fille. I speak to the girl. Je parle à l'homme. I speak to the man. And je parle aux filles. I speak to the girls. As a summary, the DELE becomes due or le. A with grave accent, le becomes OAU. The lay, DELES becomes DS, and lay becomes AUX. These are all about contracted articles. We have some sentences with the contracted articles using the. Let's find out the translation. Number 1, c'est la maison du professeur. Du, the and le, that contract and become due. This is the house of the teacher. Due, of the teacher, professor. Masculine singular, so le and de, the precedes le, the and le, they both become due. C'est la maison du professeur. Number 2, c'est le père de la fille. This is the father of the girl. Fille, feminine singular, de la. Number 3, il vient du jardin. He comes from the garden. The also takes the meaning of from. Il vient du jardin. He comes. Understand? Vient. Il vient means he comes from the garden. Monsieur Vijay est le père de Radha et Mala. Mr. Vijay, Monsieur Vijay, Mr. Vijay is the father, le père de Radha et Mala. So, in front of a proper noun, Radha, any proper noun, we do not use the. The we do not use in English as well as in French. Father of Radha and Mala. Number 5. Madame Susila est la mère de Raghu. Mrs. Sushila is the mother of Raghu. Number 6. Ce sont des livres des enfants. The plus les of the children. Children, plural now. So les. So the and les, they both become they. These are the books of the children. Of the children, des enfants. Ravi vient de l'école. Ravi comes or Ravi is coming from the school. De l'école. École, feminine singular starting with a vowel. So L apostrophe and GEL apostrophe remain unchanged. Ravi comes from the school. Il parle du film. He speaks about the film. Du film. It becomes du film. He speaks of the film. Or he speaks about the film. Montre-moi, show me, les parents, the parents, de l'enfant, of the child. DEL apostrophe. Show me the parents of the child. Number 10. Les fleurs du vendeur sont belles. The flowers of the vendor are beautiful. Vendeur, masculine singular. So DELE become du. Les fleurs du vendeur sont belles. The flowers of the vendor, the salesman, are beautiful. We have some sentences on the screen with the contracted articles using the preposition à. Number 1. Parle au professeur. Speak to the teacher. A plus le. That becomes au professeur. Speak to the teacher. Montre. Number 2. Montre le livre aux enfants. Show the textbook to the children. Les, that becomes aux, aux, to the. Show the book to the children. Je vais, number 3, je vais, understand? Je vais, I go, je vais à l'école, I go to the school. Number 4, va, वो film, va, go, वो film, or le becomes वो film, go to the movie, go to the film. 5. Donne l'image à la fille. Donne, give. Donne l'image à la fille. Give the picture to the girl. 6. Explique-le à Monsieur Sundar. Explain it to Mr. Sundar. Here le is a pronoun. Le means it. Explique le. Explain it. Monsieur Sundar. Explain it to Mr. Sundar. 7. Parler. Speak. Madame Rati. Speak to Mrs. Rati. Montre cette maison à la femme. That's number 8. Show this house to the woman. Tu parles, number 9. Tu parles au garçon. You speak to the boy. Allez à la chambre. That's the last one, number 10. Go to the room. À la chambre. Go through this lesson again till the content is very well understood. We have some exercises to do. While doing the exercises, if you have any doubts, please go through the lesson again. Here we complete the dashes. We fill up the blanks with the help of the contracted articles of DE, DE, D apostrophe, DU, DLA, DL apostrophe or DES. After doing this, you have a set of 10 questions. There, you will have to fill up the blanks with the help of one of the contracted articles or preposition a or au or la, l apostrophe or aux. Bonne chance. Good luck. Bonne chance. We come to the end of this video lesson, contracted articles. You may subscribe to this channel for the notifications of latest lessons. Thank you. I wind off. Bye bye.